Happy 2025, everybody. Here is Buttermilk Falls in Indiana County, known as Mr. Rogers Waterfall. I'm in New Florence, PA. It's, again, Indiana County. Mr. Rogers Waterfall, January 4th, 2025. It's about, my car said it was 19 degrees out, so it's about 17 degrees out here. When you come here, be very careful. A lot of steps. You can actually walk under the waterfall, but when we get onto the last platform, I'm not going to go under the falls. It's all ice, and it's 17 degrees. I don't want any water on me. So look at the ice. Look at that beautiful waterfall. And again, you can go under the waterfall there, but you can see all the water coming down, and it's 17 degrees. It ain't worth it for me. Beautiful area here. This is one of 3 buttermilk falls that I know of. This one's Mr. Rogers Waterfall in Indiana County.